Quench Q4 Free Standing Cooler. In this video, we'll take you on a quick tour of the exciting Quench Q4 Free Standing Cooler and its advanced features. This bottle-free water cooler produces fresh, filtered, cold, and hot water, especially designed as an economical choice for lower traffic offices or multiple installations in large workspaces. One advantage of the Quench Q4 is that we maintain and take care of it for you. Let's take a more detailed look at the main features of the Q4. Touchless sensor-activated dispensing with hot water safety feature. Easy to use and hygienic, especially in shared spaces. The Q4 dispenses Quench Water Plus using our proprietary reverse osmosis or carbon filtration with mineral additives to produce electrolyte and mineral-infused drinking water. Mineral-infused water that you can trust to be clean and taste great. LED ultraviolet light to maintain water quality, no matter your workspace conditions. Antimicrobial surface protection. Like the touchless controls, the Q4 surface is all about clean, hygienic use no matter how many users you have. Large 10.2-inch dispense height, perfect for most reusable water bottles. Put your sports bottle right under the dispenser. At 42 inches high, the freestanding model is the ideal height for easy dispensing. Its small 10.6-inch by 13.6-inch footprint lets you fit it almost anywhere that there's a power and water source nearby. The cold tank stores 0.7 gallons and the hot tank 0.4 gallons. Plenty of hot and cold water for a small office or low traffic area. The Quench Q4 is available as a compact freestanding model. Water up with the Q4 today. To find out more, call your Quench Water expert today or visit quenchwater.com.